Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Today we'll be making red velvet blossom cookies. Let's begin by sieving all the dry ingredients, adding some maida, cocoa powder, corn flour and some baking soda. Let's sieve all this. Our dry ingredients are ready. Let's begin with the wet ingredients. Add butter to the bowl which is at the room temperature. I'm going to mash the butter slightly before whisking it. We'll cream the butter till it becomes pale and light in color. Let's scrape the sides and bring the butter together. As you can see, it's turned light and creamy. Time to add some castor sugar. Let's give it a good mix. And now, let's cream this together again. Let's scrape the sides and now add rest of the ingredients. Vanilla extract, vinegar. I'm going to use some super red gel color, just a few drops, and some milk. Whisk all of this again. Our wet ingredients are ready. Add the dry ingredients gradually, a little at a time. Mix it. Now I'm going to use my hand to bring the dough together. The dough is ready. Right now it might look a little sticky, but once we chill it in the fridge for around half an hour, it will be ready for baking. As you can see, our cookie dough is ready. So let's take a small portion. I'm just going to roll it into a small ball, lightly flatten it and place it on the baking tray. Just keep a small distance in between. So all the cookies are shaped and ready. We'll keep them for baking at 170 degrees for around 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and our cookies are ready. Now we'll add the blossoms to the cookies. When the cookies are hot, I'm going to gently press the spoon in the middle and make a small depression like so. Now we'll let the cookies rest a bit till they are slightly cool and then we'll add the blossoms to them. Now time to add the blossoms. Chocolate kisses. Place them one by one, very gently. These red velvet blossom cookies are one of a kind because they are enjoyed by one and all. So do give these cookies a try and let us know in the comment section how they turned out to be.